Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders on our inaugural edition of Coffee and Construction. We are out at our job site again today, and the guys are still working on the demolition piece of it, getting some of the things taken up out of the ground and working on the bricks. So I'm going to show you what they're up to. Here they are. We've got piles of bricks that we are painstakingly putting in the effort to be able to reuse here and not just throw in the trash. It's such a great experience that we're having. Back of the house over here, and then back over there behind the porta potty on the side of the house, we're stacking all these bricks. And if you can see, there's a pile of bricks already, a couple piles of bricks already stacked back there. So I'll show you some pictures of that, but I just wanted to give you a heads up on where we were at with our demolition on this project. And thank you for joining us on our first edition of Coffee and Construction. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.